Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, believe me, Chainlink will give you a great surprise. You will be feeling very happy after watching this video. So for your pleasure, please keep watching this video till the end, and also click the subscribe button, like this video for my support, my friends. Hope you all subscribe to my channel. In this time, first of all, we discuss the latest price update of the Chainlink, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move of the Chainlink in the market. My friends, you know what, that the price of the Chainlink is completely falls down from the last 1 week. From the last 1 month, the Chainlink price is falls down, and now still the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is going wrong, completely falls down according to the Chainlink. Anyways, the latest price of Chainlink at this time in the market is 22.39 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Chainlink in the market. And the price changes, you already know, that completely falls down. And now this time, now live in this time also falls down. 14 is the market rank of the Chainlink. Let's see the price chart of the Chainlink, my friends. You can see here that the price is completely going falls down. From the last 2 days, the price is completely falls down. So my friends, the good news, the surprise news for all of you is that maybe, my friends, that is the common rules of cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump, and Chainlink also falls down from the previous last 2 days. So tomorrow there is a chance to the price will pump and you will get profit, my friends. My friends, every cryptocurrencies pump, but you have to patience, you have to wait. If you have patience, you will be millionaire of cryptocurrencies market. If you have no patience, so maybe you lost money in a cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.